Tabi-tabi na lang tayo. Ayan, okay. Stay here.
Kagwapa ni Ma'am Inday, uy.
Hinto na tayo.
Sige, relax, relax.
Hinto na tayo. Okay.
Dito sir, dito sir.
Ay, bye. Sige sa...
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. No? Mamayang alas 2 ng hapon, magkakaroon ng kauna-unahang pagdinig sa kaso ni dating Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ang mangyayari dito ay sasabihin lang siya kung ano yung kaso laban sa kanya, sisiguraduhin na naintindihan niya yung kaso niya at anong mga karapatan niya. Yun lamang. Now, may mga dahilan kami, pero susubukan namin ipaliban itong kauna-unahang pagdinig nito. No? Pero itong dahilan namin ay pribadong ipararating sa mga maestrado. Sa ngayon, ay iisa pa lang ang na-recognize na lawyer, si Attorney Medialdea, no, dahil siya ngayong kasama. Pero we have filled up all the documents para mapasama din ako dun sa team of counsels. No? Now, I'm in the list counsel of the ICC, and we have also retained another member of the list counsel who is British. So initially, there will be 3 of us standing as counsels. The other one is Kaufman, Attorney Kaufman of the British Bar. So 2 of us from the list counsel and Attorney Medialdea. The Vice President, of course, is here as a member of the faculty, and she will be in the gallery, no, to witness the first hearing. So hindi ko po alam kung mapagbibigyan yung hinihiling namin na ipagpaliban, pero wala naman akong dahilan para na naisip para hindi mapagbigyan yan kasi wala namang pupuntahan si Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte na siya sa kulungan dito sa Chile. So ipagpaliban nyo na ngayon kasi hindi pa namin nakikita ang dating Presidente. Buong araw, kahapon, hindi siya nakita dahil di umano siya ay binigyan ng medical examination. So ngayon pa lang, ang problema dito sa ICC ay daming papel bago mo makita. So we have just submitted the form to visit him para hindi naman kauna-unang beses makikita sila ni Vice President dito sa hukuman. Ako, I feel strongly that before the hearing, not only I should be able to have access to him as a member of the list counsel of the court, but the family should have access to him. So actually, ang priority ko is to make sure magkita muna silang mag-ama. Dahil hindi pa alam ni Presidente na nandito si Vice President. No? It's not proper naman na hindi alam ng ama na nandito yung anak niya. So I'm more or less attending on this first day of hearing, a family matter. I want them to see each other outside of the court first so they can have a private.
Attorney, what do you call the postponement? Is there a legal term for that?
Wala naman, it's the same. Alam mo yun, the procedure is similar to Philippine procedure. Ang difference lang is before it arraignment and before it goes to proper trial, meron tinatawag na confirmation of charges. And in the confirmation of charges, they will establish that there really is probable cause and that there really is jurisdiction. But I do not know if I can be registered in time for the hearing today, but in addition to the postponement, if I am recognized today, and I'm not sure yet, no, because we just did all the papers today, I will also bring the issue of the illegality of the arrest of the former president. That should lead to the court losing its jurisdiction. And I would be citing the case law of the Constitutional Court of South Africa that an illegal arrest is sufficient to divest the court of jurisdiction. This is a right wrong by the Commission. In addition to the lack of jurisdiction, because we had withdrawn from our membership, and of course the preliminary investigation commenced beyond the date that we had the jury. But of course, everything hinges on if I will be recognized today. But right now we have to leave because we want to see the president before he is brought to court.
So just to be clear, sir, you said it has been sent privately already. Yung request to postpone this particular initial hearing.
It has not been. It will have to be asked in the hearing today.
Today. Okay.
Paano po pag hindi po na pagbibigyan ng
Sir, i-recap ko sa'yo.
Ano po ang next plan ninyo?
Ang mangyayari nung naman, kung yung mga pagbibigyan is sasabihin lang kung ano yung nature of charges. But it is not an arraignment. It is just to make sure he understands the nature of the charges against him. Not an arraignment. In court na, wala nang panahon kasi. Kasi alam nyo, itong notice came very late also. We had just arrived yesterday. And of course, nauna sila. VP came next evening of yesterday and I came yesterday then, no? And actually, yesterday we had no access to him because he was undergoing medical exam, no? And he was not here. No? And for a while, we were even alarmed where he was, but he was apparently subjected to medical examination. So it's only now, so pagbigyan na muna natin na makita muna yung mag-ama. Okay? Can we do that? I think he is in the detention facility. We're going to the detention facility now. Please don't follow kasi hindi rin kayo magbigyan ng access. Ha? Okay?
Thank you, attorney.
Laban hanggang sa dulo.
Yeah, I'm just an advisor of former President Rodrigo Duterte. We will be attending the hearing. There's only been one lawyer recognized, who is Attorney Megadea, who is the lawyer who flew with him to the case. We are
Any statement any statement lang po since you haven't seen your father since you arrived pala? Is that true? As I announced earlier, we did a Q&A later. Hindi po kayo kasama. Magpa-register po ng Q&A.
Meron pong one time, ma'am.
JC will give you details. Okay, I promise you. We just need to do the paperwork that everyone from the site is asking.
Ingat po, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, VP.
Ma'am, VP.
Laban.
Ma'am, laban na yun, ma'am. Basta gwapa lang yun taan ni ma'am. Okay. Basta Pilipina, gwapa yun ka, ma'am.
Of course.
Basta ikaw.
SMA na yung pakisabi ko sa
Hindi ka naman nagbayad ng other.
Hindi. But let's do WhatsApp kasi Viber hindi masyadong maganda rito eh.
They will
WhatsApp na lang.
allow
Okay. SMNI!
Thank you.
Basta, ma'am, mag-ampo gimi, nag-i-move na gina. Gwapa biyak ka.
Of course. Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Sigurado sa mga Pilipino, mga lalaki.
Gwapo gyapon mi, ma'am.
I can assure you, pagkabuo ang atong Miss Universe.
Correct.
Sa Mata Bisaya. Yes, globally.
Just pag-
Exceptional, outstanding.
Correct, ma'am. Ngani ko kagwapa din ako magawas, uy. VP, salamat. VP, shoutout sa mga taga Butuan kay idol kay kanila.
Sambuanga po, madam.
Ay, salamat nga na amin.
Naamin din.
Gusto ko magbigay ng mensahe sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan kahapon, nung isang araw, ngayon, na patuloy na nagpapakita ng kanilang suporta sa ating dating Pangulo. Nakikita po natin yung kanilang mga peace rallies doon sa Pilipinas at sa iba't ibang lugar sa mundo. So nagpapasalamat tayo na merong nagdadasal, marami ang nagdadasal, napakahalaga naman. Pangalawa, nagpapakita ng suporta at nagpapakita ng suporta at nagpapahayag ng kanilang nararamdaman.
Of course.
Huwag natin kalimutan na ang problema ng bayan ay hindi ang mga Duterte.
Correct.
Tama po.
Ang problema ng bayan, kayong lahat nandito kayo, nakikipagsapalaran kayo sa ibang bansa dahil walang oportunidad doon sa ating bansa. Patuloy ang kahirapan,
Check.
patuloy ang kagutuman, patuloy na walang nangyayaring kaunlaran. Nakikita nyo yung Netherlands, di ba?
Yes po.
Gusto natin maging Netherlands.
Correct. Bukas na ba, ma'am?
Bakit ba hindi nangyayari yun? Yun yung tanong natin.
Pag president ka na, ma'am.
Bukas na, ma'am. Mag-president ka. Bukas na.
Ma'am, mag-president ka na, ma'am.
Huwag natin kalimutan yun.
Vale.
Na hindi ako ang problema.
Correct.
Dahil po namin lahat yun. Dahil bakit nga ba ako nagiging problema? Dahil
Tanda.
Maganda. Gwapang. Tungod sa kagwapa ni mo, kulbaan sila, VP. Bisag ako yung ano mo, muli na lang po, eh.
well, yes, as I said earlier, our expectation is that we will be given permission to visit since we are already complying as we speak with all the documents that they are asking of us. And then the next is we truly pray and hope that the court will listen for our request just to move the initial appearance so that we can have time to sit down with the former president and discuss what are the ways forward in his cause. Thank you.
Ma'am, salamat. Shout out sa mi taga Butuan, ma'am. Taga Butuan, ma'am. Love kay kanamo, Mindanao. One Mindanao. Bisaya ra ni ma'am. Unsay sekreto nga nung gwapa man gyud kay ka, ma'am? Oh, pwede ra po nimo dito bagon.
Prayers daw ingon.
Ah,
Bipin, ako ihatag sa imuha.
okay ra ka.
No, maayo. Maayo. Ninyo kanang fur na gid ako ang gigamit doon. Kay para mabungnauan ang panuhot.
Yes.
Panuhot.
Kami haplas dito kung kinahanglan nimo. Ah, okay, perfect.
Ako ang amiga gikan na London ang iyahain taong gidala kay Efficas and Oil lang. Mura gid niya ako ang matabang sa imo. Wala ko kibalo kung hantod ka na sa amin.
Welcome ka sa balay, ma'am. Okay ra gid ayun yan. Yes, may problema. Pagkain, may problema. Ang mga Hazel's Kusina dira.
March 23.
Yes, ma'am.
Kalimot. Sunday na.
Unsay oras, ma'am? Nanay oras, ma'am?
So, Saturday pa lang man, laban na mo ha. Kay para sa
Yes, correct. Correct.
Halag layo.
Wala ko'y balita pa kay... pero ginapaan ko siya para makaulit ko sa...
Oh.
Ma'am, kumusta na po kayo? Nakapagpahinga na po kayo?
Nakatulog ka, ma'am.
Jet lag pa ka, ma'am?
Yeah, actually.
Okay lang. Wala.
Para nimo, ma'am, irrelevant na ng trabaho.
Tumakas
Para sa imo. Para kang former president sa imong papa, of course. Mangita na puglain, ma'am.
Bahala na.
Masakit po ang damdamin namin.
Wala pa.
Paniguraduho na naamoy trabaho pag uli ninyo.
Yes, ma'am.
Ang inyong mga pamilya sa Pilipinas.
Yes, ma'am.
Bakasyon sa inyong
Correct, ma'am.
mga anak.
Once in a lifetime ra gyud mo.
Mga breadwinner baya mo tanan.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Relax sa mi karon, ma'am, basta ikaw.
Nagkaon na ka, Bibi? Wala pa, ma'am.
Tabi mi sandwich dito, ma'am. Oh.
May sandwich kami galing Paris. Sandwich kay tibok adlaw biya ka din ni.
Correct, correct.
Panigurado ninyo. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, pwede maghatag sa imo ani. Yes, of course.
Wala ko from
Balit na
Lord.
ko from Lord.
Correct.
Pwede ka bigay sa iyo from Paris? We're from Paris. Yeah.
Grabe ka.
8 hours, ma'am. 8 hours.
Bisan pag 24 hours, basta makita lang yun ko na mo. Walay problema, ma'am. Walang reply, sir.
Wala pa po reply, sir. Wala pa.
walang response from the email.
Yes. Casual, yes, casual is very good. Yes, ma'am. VP, salamat kay VP, ha. Stay strong, lagi ka, VP.
Bigay pa. Pray for, para pang
Stop ko na.
thank you sa regalo. Ayaw na mong gasto para sa ako. Okay.
Wala, uy. Kahambol ka sa tong VP, uy. Hello. VP, ayaw may kalimtiha pag presidente na ka.
Yeah, let's go for guys.
Kanang ampo nato sa Ginoo ang mga
We always.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ampo, gi ka na mo, permi.
Dadalhin ko na si VP kay
Lagi kay first kasi vice president.
Regards pa sa imong papa, VP. Dali rami, dali rami.